Okay, this is the quiz solution video for solving inequalities, Algebra 1 Honors Quiz. Number 1, here we isolate x, as in the notes we solve inequalities the same way as we do equations. With the only thing we have to remember is if you multiply or divide by a negative, then you have to flip the sign. Here we go. Plus 11, plus 11. These cancel. X is greater than or equal to positive 8 because positive 11 plus negative 3. I ask you to at least put 5 ticks on your graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to go ahead and put 8 right here. Okay, I know that greater than or equal to is going to give me a closed dot. So I'm going to put a closed dot, and then I'm going to, it's greater than or equal to, so my arrow is that way. Number 2. Here we still want to isolate the variable, which is x. So to do that, we work around x. This is x times 2, increase by 3. So working backwards, decrease by 3. And we have to do it everywhere in all 3 sections, not just 2. Okay, they're not just 2 sides now, they're 3 sections. So then we do that, and we combine these two, get a negative 8, less than or equal to 2x, less than positive 4. Alright, now we want to get rid of the 2. 2 is times x, so we divide by 2 everywhere. I'm running out of room. I'm going to kind of write this on the side over here and then erase it later. So negative 8 divided by 2 gives me negative 4, less than or equal to. That cancels. X less than 2. Now we just need to graph it. So go ahead and put your 5 tick marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I want x to be less than 2, and I have negative 4 also. So I want to at least put, I guess I'll do negative 4. And I may need more, negative 3. Actually, what I'm going to do is count by 2's. So I'll do negative 4, negative 2, 0, 2, and 4. Okay, so I want x to be less than 2, so that means I'm going to have an open circle on positive 2. X is greater than or equal to x. Negative 4, so I'm going to have a closed circle on negative 4. And then my answer is going to be what's shaded in between, because it's the intersection of these two. So this is actually how this is going to look. Because x negative, that's going, less than 2, and greater than negative 4, greater than or equal to. So you want the intersection of those two. Okay. Alright, next. Negative, actually this one, okay, 3.4 is less than or equal to 13.6x. Here we divide by 13.6 on both sides. Writing is a little bad here. Okay, so anyway, this goes away and we're left with x is equal to, or is greater than or equal to, and we divide this. Now some people didn't divide this right. Remember, you start with the top, the numerator, and it goes underneath. Okay, so you actually have a larger number here on the outside. So this is going to be a decimal when you work that out, and it'll come out to 0.25. So what I did here, I just went let's see, 0.25, 0.5, 0.751. That'll give me 5 tick marks. So I can do 1/4 because I know that's 0.5. I can do a half, 3/4, 1, and then 1 1/4. Okay. Alright, so x is greater than or equal to, And I know my on my I want to have a solid dot. Put that on 0.25, and then go ahead and shade in to the right because it is greater than or equal to. Okay, that's 1 through 3, and 4. That's 1 through 3. 4, 5, 6 will be next.